evening in the Philippines and good morning in the U.S. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and I'm here in Boracay trading poolside. In fact, I uploaded a video where I'm at. Unfortunately, the place where we're staying at has intermittent connection, so we had to find a place where there was at least good, solid Wi-Fi connection. So before I start, let's do this disclaimer, the usual disclaimer. So any comment, statement, or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. Webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, illustrating how we DTA's Congressive system. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive system is not indicative of future results. Once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, and I must emphasize that I am not a licensed trading advisor. So with that said, let's look at the economic news. Really, nothing really going on except at 1:01 p.m. Eastern. There's a 30-year bond auction, which it's a medium impact thing, but doesn't really do a big thing here on the ES. So really, that's the only thing, unless we have some unexpected tweets like we did last night. So anyways, let's look at the chart. If I can get it on here. Hold on. Let me see if I can get on there. I'm working on my laptop again here, so bear with me. There we are. Let's put this aside here. Move this over here. I don't know if I can move that. Yeah, there we are. So anyways, what we're looking at right now is this. We had strong move to the upside over the overnight session, as you can see. Then now it's doing a correction. We'll see how far of a correction on that is. Usually correction on that is basically what we're on that expecting. Say from there, let me do this. I want to get my properties here fixed. We want ticks and we want 0.0.25. Just want to see this. So that's what I'm looking at in terms of retracement. I'm expecting it somewhere on here. Let me get this chart off. Let's get this to the right. It's right there. It bounced off originally there. Now we have a downward. It's respecting this downtrend. So what I'm expecting is probably get down to here, maybe right on here. These are your DMI VWAP. This is a naked chart. This is the VWAP, which is in the middle there, the teal color. And what you have other lines here are your deviation levels. So it usually bounces off these one deviation here, -1 deviation, so forth. The one here is basically -2, and this is -3. So I'm looking maybe here, bouncing off to close to here, around 61 or on there, if it's going to do a correction. Okay, so let's watch that. It's going to respect this trend line right here. So with that said, let's look at the chart right now, and this is what I have with the Congressive system indicators. So that's what I'm looking at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the mute, and we'll see if we can make some profit here for the next hour or so. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. profit goal of 301.16. Let me see if I can get another trade, but well, it has to be a really high probability entry. So with that, let me see what I'm going to look at here. Yeah, let me see if I can do this. trade right here. I should have had a 1.5. It was going against the grain. Huh? So what I'm doing here is going with a trend right now, which is up. This one I had originally put it 1.5, which it hit, but then I was trying to get greedy, which is basically a 2, which I basically ended up losing 2 ticks, I think. Was it 2 ticks? Was it 2 ticks? No, it's around 1 tick. If you know where the market is going, because you see how this price was respecting the fill line. So now this one, this was obvious V1 trade. This is what I'm talking with my students. They know what that is. So this one I'm expecting at least 2, and there's my third one. That was my runner up there. So I'll be profitable with this. Hopefully it hits here at least 2. I think I should get that. Should be my last trade, which will definitely have my profit goal. And that's going to be within 1 hour as usual. So we average our profit goal within 1 hour. In fact, I would have had my profit goal within 30 minutes, but I just wanted to see if I can get more. Again, once you reach it, you should just quit. I was telling you that the market is king. It's not what you think. It's really what the market is. You have to get what the market gives you, and that's about it. But other than that, we'll wait until this hits my TP and my profit target, I should say, if it's gonna hit. So let's see. I think at least this one's going with a trend up. There we are. We're just gonna wait for this right here. So let me do this so at least I can cover my tracks. At least move up my stop to plus 1 tick. Let's see where we're at right now in terms of, yeah. So right now we're at 444. This is good. So if I get this down to here where it's my stop loss at plus 1, I'd still be in profit. So let's wait for this, and I'll end my day with that. Just wait once it hits here. Basically I moved my profit, that one, the chaser, basically, to 2 points. Let's see, get this last contract here. So like I said, I only took what the market gave me. So here is my total, 453. Had one loss, small loss of 2 ticks, I believe. Other than that, I was able to manage my trades and I watched this go up there. So anyways, my that is 453.48. I took 1, 2, 3 trades. So with that, I am done for the day. Traders in the US, have a great day. Here in the Philippines, you guys have a great evening. It's approximately 11:20 p.m. So with that said, good night in the Philippines. God bless.